Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video I'm going to show you a haul. It was my birthday recently, so my friend took me to Syracuse, New York, which is about 3 hours from Ottawa where I live, and we did some shopping. We went for dinner. It was just such an amazing time, a great way to celebrate my birthday. So I'm going to show you some things that I picked up. The first stop was Ulta. Got a few things from there, not as much as I wanted. The first thing I got is this Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss by Essence. It was $2.99. It's absolutely beautiful. It's in the shade So Into It. That's what it looks like. Hopefully you can see that. I'll give it a swatch. It's a really pretty nude. You might have seen it in another video, but I love it so much I had to get another because they don't have it in my city, but this is what it looks like. For $16, I had to re-up on the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I love this stuff. I have really oily skin and it does wonders for my makeup, but my makeup does not budge. And it smells so good as well. It feels really good when you spray it on your face. It just feels so refreshing. I really recommend this. I wanted to try this lipstick. It's by Colourpop and it is their Luxe lipstick and it's in the shade Solo and it's Velvet Blur and it costs $7.50. I have it on today. Just show you what it looks like. It's a really pretty red. I'll give it a swatch. And the packaging is so pretty as well. It's like a rose gold and it has little stars on it. So I really like it and it's really comfortable so far, but we'll see as the day progresses. Let me know if you guys have tried any lipsticks by Colourpop because I might want to get some more. So recommend some for me. Then for $25, I don't need any more eyeshadow palettes, but I had to get it anyways because it's pretty. It's the Masquerade Mini by Juvia's. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm sure most of you have seen it by now, but oh my god. Look at these shadows. Let me turn my light down a little bit so you can see. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh. If you'd like me to do a swatch video on this palette, comment down below and let me know. I like to see your comments. You know that. And then I went to Saks Fifth Avenue because they're closing down. I didn't get to pick up as much as I wanted to, like honestly, like 3 things. And they were $6.65 each. They're just some unmentionables, but I just got some seamless undies. I've never tried seamless ones before, but my mom keeps raving about them, so I'm like, okay, let me pick some up. So I got a nude one and black one. They feel really good. And then I got one for my mom as well because she really likes them. So then I went to Coach. Man, I really treated myself. Look at this, guys. It is so beautiful. It cost me $46.14. Now it was originally $178. They were having a sale for 70% off, and then I got an additional 20% off. So that's why it only cost $46.14. I thought that was really good deal. It is so cute, little wristlet. So then I went to Michael Kors. I got a tote for $64.36. Can you believe that? Insane. Look how beautiful it is. Look at that color. Oh my god. The original price, $298 and I got it for $64.36. Isn't it lovely? Last stop was TJ Maxx, and I got this for my sister. She gonna give me the money back, you best believe. And it was $24.99, and it's real cute. You just put it on your waist. It's really nice. I should have gotten one for myself, but they didn't have my size actually, so. But it's really cute. Let me open it up. Cute. And my last treat to myself, I got a Michael Kors watch. I wasn't even looking for a watch, but it was a good deal. It was $99, and it's just beautiful. Listen, it was my 40th birthday, so I treated myself, okay? I'm allowed. I'll show you. I'll turn my light down because you won't be able to see if not. Look at that. It is so blingy. It has all these diamonds in the face. Oh my god. It is so me. Tell me that's not beautiful. It's gorgeous. So that's everything to my haul. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Leave them down below. If you enjoyed my birthday haul, because that's what it is, give me a thumbs up. I definitely appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Hit that red button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!